Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your business plan with Intel, full guide step by step clearly. To recover your business plan using Intel, start by identifying the key components of your plan. Gather all necessary documents related to your business plan. Begin with your business model, outlining what your business does and its value proposition. Next, compile market research that highlights your target audience and competitive landscape. Review your marketing and sales strategy, detailing how you plan to reach your customers. Assess your operational plan, which includes daily operations, suppliers, and logistics. Address your management structure and key personnel roles to clarify responsibilities. Evaluate your financial projections, including income statements, cash flow, and break-even analysis. Use Intel tools and resources to analyze data, ensuring you have accurate insights. Leverage business intelligence software to visualize data trends and forecast future performance. Engage with business mentors or advisors to gain fresh perspectives on your plan. Conduct SWOT analysis to evaluate strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Incorporate feedback from stakeholders to ensure alignment with overall business goals. If needed, revise sections of your plan to reflect updated information or changes in your business environment. Finalize your business plan by ensuring it is well organized and clearly articulated. Save your recovered plan in multiple formats and secure backups for future reference. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive and updated business plan using Intel resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.